na God we know, na God we know. As it be like this now, I don't even know what you want to do again because now we're supposed to carry our enter inside the. But now we get one old school video we're supposed to show everybody. But you know, this particular video, why I see like this now? Their dance, what they do for this video, the dance never still click. It be like where Warapa the cash person. You understand? It be like the flock of for back. Yeah. Even though they talk and I say he never too ready to blend with that particular dance, but as a bit as it may, he go still reach there. He go still reach there. Yeah. Warapa. Okay, so we get old school video for now. Mona watch this video, and after this, we'll carry our guests enter into the show. DJ Easy Beats, I'm a safe day here. This one where you come close to me like this now. What's the plan? Okay, go sit down for your place. What's your you can't be proud anyhow. So most in this video, will they come back? No. We welcome now come back. Now still the late night show like this. And Oscar of myself, your boy, and every we still there on top of the show. And right about now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce to now one of the biggest bros for every consigned the theater things on the dance P and every. He go explain the whole thing because the biggest bros will get inside the house like this. Different OGBONGE people them within this country where they run things on top dance and theater and some other things and don't come from out. Okay, but ladies and gentlemen, make una help me welcome the Oga Patapata for the Crown Troupe of Africa. I'll call them dance group. I'll be dance troupe or Ross go explain them. Yeah, go explain them by himself. Oga Segun Adefila. Put your hands together. Make we welcome Oga. Bros. Welcome on top of the show.
Now you thank you.
Welcome. Now you will thank pass. Yeah. Now you will thank pass. I know say some as they watch like this now. Some of your people then we don't come from your. They see you now, they say, bros, this is our bros, now I don't do TV like this now. But aside that one, say, now Crown Troupe of Africa, anything join them?
No, just Crown Troupe of
Africa.
Yeah.
So, Crown Troupe of Africa, or Gakpata, they inside the building like that. Yes. So, bros, sharply down to business, because we don't see time not day for the whole P like this. Crown Troupe, we had this whole, because now we don't see video, we don't see some kind of things, and most people, they know, I just dance.
No.
Per se, I been a theater generally.
Na theater generally.
Okay.
Na theater, you know.
Okay.
No be. Well, the introduction will give me too much for me. I be one. I want to check. Say we talk about.
No, you not boss now.
I don't reach that level. You know, but na theater generally.
Okay.
You know, we don't sabi anything. Pass to the dance, enjoy ourselves, make people happy. As our forefathers don't do.
Okay.
We don't want over upgrade. We don't go all those tech too much tech current thing where they go on. Okay. We just want that level. You know. But
would they see? Most of the time when they watch on performances, it get how they use dance, they take talk stories, they use theater things, they pass different kind of message, give different people. But before we reach for that place, before we reach for there, as a theater person where you don't be for a long time now, how many years now we go to count?
This month now, Crown Troupe the clock 19 years.
19 years?
Yes.
Hey! Easy. They say we will do hip-hop. Now hip-hop is good. So that year, if they look at they do now, they jealous us for our mind. Say, we wish we just go there, go there. The only one we know now,
that one are part of, you don't sabi well now.
That one day now. Now those ones are me, I sabi.
Now we they start. Now
the beginning, be all those ones.
Now part of them.
Now part of the whole thing. Yes. But I be asked just now, for most people, then when they can't join the group. I know I don't watch one of your interviews before where you talk say, not be say una concentrate on schools. Now troupe on your own, where people they can't belong to.
Yeah.
And somehow, no don't use and take commot bad thinking for young people for the country.
And so
tell us more about that particular area.
Yeah, okay. For country, for instance, na Bariga we base.
Okay.
And then I grew up.
Okay.
And if you hear Bariga, you know, say Bariga no be VGC.
At all.
So as I grow up, I see so many of my friends. I see where they don't go.
Okay.
So God just used art, theater to save my life. You know, and because of my background, I come from one village for inside Kwara there. So
okay.
Somehow they carry me go village. I go, they follow masquerade, they dance around.
Okay.
I did the idea of fun, but later my parents want me I become, you know, medical doctor, pilot, and all of those things. You know. So anyway, back to the story. We say somehow I enter arts. Somehow I be art enter me. One of the
there was entry somewhere.
Yeah, there was some kind of entry somewhere. And so I see and say, see, this thing is a serious thing because our country and God to bless us. Too much blessing. That's like it be like this sometimes. People they pray, they say God know the answer. If you be God, you go feel wait for a country where you give everything we get. You will go on that place where they need you.
Go focus on some other thing.
Where people where they deal with snow, with earthquake. This place perfect, everything they do.
You don't get wahala.
Yeah, you know.
Not just people that be the issue.
So as natural disaster, know the way man disaster can replace them. I say this now serious wahala for any community where young people they very idle. You know, because I've been they idle before, and the tendency to go wrong they for me very well. So as God don't use theater rescue me, I say I don't get any other thing again to do than to, you know, use them as God take use them for me. I use them for people like me.
Exactly. Because like this now, some people say na ministry. You understand? But any which way you talk, now at the end of the day, you see they improve the arts for the country.
Very, very well.
And at the same time, see they use and say they carry small ones that come up for badness for the whole country. That's still God. That's still God. That's still God. So and I don't say when I don't carry waka enter different places for both the country and commuting for the country and things. Arts now, how much appreciation people get for arts now for this country compared to how it be before?
When I start, and when I start be like later, some people don't start before. No, we say some people, the art don't go hundreds of years before we reach there.
Exactly.
So, but say if you say 20 years ago, the kind of appreciation we art get today, no get them.
Okay.
Because if you observe, say, for instance, Christmas period, this December period, we see theater, they happen for different kind of venues.
Yes.
And this kind of thing no be the case before.
Exactly.
You know, so if you go there truthful, well, if you see, this country might be the best country anywhere in the world. Quote me. If they put every other thing into place, we don't deal very well. So people like them, but condition will go make you sit down for us plenty around you before you think of how to enter road, pothole, security, and all of those things. Why you not go buy one CD, sit down for your parlor, they enjoy your show.
Just do all right.
Yeah. So, but in spite of all of this, people still, you know, people they come back to them, but no be as it's supposed to be. Because the talk, I don't go one or two places where they say when you see yourself and the kind of treatment where they will give you, go ask, no be the kind of thing where they do for my jungle, for my girl to be this, now be this. And you man go drive you, now go be your driver. They go sit down near you, waiting you want to do, based on stage.
So they appreciate them more than us for this side.
Oh goodness, they appreciate them. But you know, now we get out. Now you see art for us for here. Now we of
now daily life.
If like say then they struggle, you know, when you struggle for something, you don't go to you. I mean, you go appreciate them well when you struggle for them. But if the thing just did there for you,
you go abuse them.
Now the difference with that, you know.
That's true. Not be lie. But when how you go take compare, for example, you know, say for this side of the world now, don't they carry Oyibo thing for head too much? As they try, they collect our own culture, they try for that side. Now, so we say they borrow their own, they come. So I say we don't colobi, we can't forget our real own. You understand? That people want to even abuse the one way we get. You understand? But what think will be your advice to everybody way there outside the way they watch like this now, onto retaining our culture?
You know, I don't need to advise them now. Now you see, because whether we like them or not, check our music, check everything where we do now. We are coming back home. You don't get choice. Exactly. They come back house. So, but you don't say culture now be the only thing where take you, where we differentiate you from every other person. So when you go Oyibo land, go there. I mean, I remember I say 2003, me and two of my guys we go Trinidad and Tobago. One guy, one girl. The girl, you know, do her hair and all of those things. The first thing those people talk now, be say, wait with this, not be from Africa they come. Why your hair day like this?
Yeah,
you know.
Yeah.
And I remember saying one professor from Manchester be part of the guest where they invite. We come from Nigeria. And the professor from Manchester then give us all the respect because all you need to do is say just tell them where they come from motherland, from Africa. So we get lots of things, but not be our wahala now. Because I remember I know when they go to school, they tell you say vernacular is prohibited.
Yes. You cannot speak vernacular in school.
Now, go check any world map. Any country where no get your own language, you know if you make progress on time. Because you get country, see China, see Japan, see other countries like that. Then learn physics, chemistry, biology in their own language. You go learn for English language, can't decode.
Yes.
You cannot make your own phone. But all those phones, all those technology don't do the thinking of our forefathers. So the thing, the theater artist of today is a culture entrepreneur.
Okay.
Now that thing, now your culture you want to say. Now the thing where they want buy with that. If you go anywhere in the world now, nothing where you want to show them. See this pidgin where they speak.
Yes.
People go die if they hear them. They go on faint.
Now so now.
You know, it be like music for them. Yeah, it be like when Jamaican they speak in parts.
Exactly now.
So what I want go to do like Oyinbo for?
Go they borrow different.
Yeah, the form waiting no be my own. They will ask anybody where don't come out. If it depends on where you go. If you go a RAS level, now there they like to pretend.
Exactly.
But you go where upper people did. Now who you be? Now they won't know.
No be really. No. Come show yourself anything.
Who you be? Where they come from? Your language, your culture. Which kind of food now they chop? Which kind of language now they speak?
Yes.
Now all those things they take respect.
Culture.
Yeah.
We see some pictures now on top of our screen. Some of our stage things and everything.
Yeah.
To gather these young people, say they do like audition for these young people. Then maybe they come in. I be saying if you sabi do am or if you no sabi do am. I mean, they say the road just they open for anybody who want to join the whole parole. See,
I tell you my journey. Say my journey they one kind of funny thing. I don't spend like 6 years for road. So option day to come into armed robbery, to go into crime, to go into everything open like this for me. But somehow God just saved me. Okay. So that one teach me sense. Say if any young person come, the Crown Troupe now space for you to just come sit down, come enjoy yourself, and then as you sit down, you go say, okay, I want dance. Okay, now sing, I want sing. Oh, now drums, I want play. Okay. Just like that. So the space they select in own natural people. The lucky thing for us in Crown Troupe and being Nigeria is that Nigeria, God to bless us, talent today. So there's no young person we will come around when we will get in one spot.
So as you just enter like this, just free yourself.
Free yourself. Sit down, they watch. They see what then they do. You go see the joke. Now free space. You go see the and as time they go on, they see I want a serious thing. Because as they talk and go, I reach one time I got to go school.
That's okay.
You know, to go understand. When I reach school, okay, I hear what then talk. As then talk and finish, I come out there, I carry the certificate, keep them here. Bam. You know, come they apply what I learn for street and from my village.
Join.
Come they use the language they didn't teach me for school. They take interpreters so that people can understand. So if you see the blend of, if you see most of our works, we know they speak too much English. Now pidgin do all our creation. Because I want when I perform, I want my mouth for market to see
to understand
what they talk about. You know. So now that kind of space.
And a blend of like you just talked just now, the streets. The one way school teach, plus
tradition,
culture, mix everything together to call the dish now to people. That's the reason why when you see them for stage like this, for example, you can understand, say, no, this thing, you know, just be say, you just wake up, go do them.
They won't kind.
You understand? Now it deep. You see the message.
Oyinbo go ask you, what do you do? I go say theater. He say, yeah, no. What kind of theater? Is it music? Is it? I know. I come break and dance. Say, guy, where I come from, man. Now, our art now a combination of all the art forms. Okay. Make I use masquerade to explain to you. The masquerade, first of all, from the masquerade, you go hear mask. So now visual artists go carve the mask. Yes. You go no say, I want to make that mask, if they say I made them run. I want to make it be like woman, I want to make it be like man. So no be visual artist with that. Yes. Then the man will go enter the mask, he be farmer, he be hunter, he be anything. But when he enter that mask, he go transform himself. He don't start acting. Okay. You don't act, you don't enter now. Then you must be sing well. You go dance. So I don't know how we want to do our work.
It combines.
Yeah, combined integrated arts. You know, for as Oyinbo we go one column. Yeah. So when they ask me, I say, unfortunately for now, where God carry me come from, this country where I come from, everything way I want, it did there.
Already.
So now they choose say, okay, now this I want you start years for 500 years. Now you want to know for where I did. As this one, they enter your body, and this one, they enter your body.
Yes,
if you sing, you dance your dance, Abi.
You go do your
See, Michael Jackson now, they very phenomenal to them. Because now a few people like that, MC Hammer.
Yes.
But the average singer for here goes a bit shaking body because since when they born you now, you don't hear music from your house.
Exactly.
As then they pound jam, as then they grind pepper, as then they turn, you know.
Yes.
If mama carry picking for back like this, you know, think of the song, you don't compose song for that.
Exactly. Exactly.
And that culture will produce us with that. So how they want tame us?
At the end of the day, you know, culture, they're very, very important. You know, and a part and parcel of us. A part and parcel of us. We must not fail to make sure, say, we see they carry and they go, but make we not put abuse enter the thing. You get? Because the way they see, thank God, like Ogashe talk just now, we don't come back. We don't come back. Our music now don't come back.
Yeah, we don't get where to go before. We just play.
We be one loss one time.
One
loss one time. We just
want. Now hungry go carry us come back.
No, you know. They don't tell us. All of us don't run come back now. So our music, our arts now coming back to culture and everything. Ogashe not marry like this.
I don't marry you.
How many children don't on board?
For my culture, they don't count.
Okay.
But I get boys, I get girls.
Child. Then plus the ones that way crown troops have done.
Oh goodness.
Many children.
We thank God.
Correct. Ogashe, they say thank you. Say you want to follow us on top this particular show today.
Go thank you.
And as we round up your interview like this, we just play in our video, make people see more and more of the whole thing. But any other plans they on ground for Crown Troop for the rest of the year? What people will they look forward to from our side? You
know, say we no get work. If our laboratory for BARIGA there, now we just experiment with different forms. For now, for our 19th anniversary, we go day one venue in Lekki Waterside. We perform every Sunday in the whole of June.
Okay.
In July, first 2 Sundays in July, we did Terra Culture. We do Wale Soyinka's Dance of the Kongi's Harvest.
Okay.
For Wale Soyinka with streets.
Okay.
Boys for streets.
For
one
streets,
do Wale Soyinka show, you know.
With boys then for streets.
Yes, and I where God don't carry the work together. So so continuously work the gun.
So people that we want to catch you now, we go also come to see you now they do things. Go feel they come Terra Culture.
Yeah, they will come.
So tell them again, make them they will not understand.
Thank you. This month of June, to celebrate our 19th anniversary, we call them Orishirishi.
Okay.
They do all our skits, all our socio-political skits, where we don't do from the beginning. You know, when we see what they go on for society, as those masquerade, they do them as the musicians of today, they do them because they talk with them, then they see. And I saw our forefathers, they do them. So we get so many skits like that. We go there, Lekki Waterside.
Okay.
You know, it's at Wale or Lateju Street, or close. Crescent. Thank you. Off Admiralty Road for Lekki.
Okay.
And then we go there every Sunday. And then in July, first 2 Sundays in July, we go there Terra Culture. Okay. You know, with Kongi's Harvest.
All right.
And then in December, we go come back to Terra Culture. Between that time, we go do our itinerary because we do them like masquerade now. We don't get stage. Anywhere we stand, I'm our stage.
Now movement.
You know that kind of thing. So
movement.
Now ongoing thing, the training is going on, the dance is going on, everything they go on.
Okay. So for if person will watch now and he want be part of Crown Troop, I go take fit jam now.
Well, we get websites.
Okay.
We do on Facebook, www.crowntroopofafrica.com.
Okay.
And then I love Crown Troop.
Okay.
In fact, just Google Crown Troop, you go see details. Now,
just Google.
Just say Crown Troop or put my name, you go see anything where you define. Now, the thing just did there. Now, God get them.
Okay. All right. Thank you very, very much. Say if you do this particular one, so we no want to keep you again because we say you have to run somewhere.
I got to run.
Movement now, movement, yes, movement. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. All right. So now don't hear every. Okay. So if now just Google, just go Crown Troop of Africa. You go get all the details. Say you want to join, you want to go to watch them, any, you go fit know the whole level on top of that particular matter. Okay, so when they come back now and see the late night show, not go anywhere. We is coming back. Easy bit, carry go.